What happens when an appellate court reverses a ruling? Imagine a case that has gone through a long journey in the courtroom, only to be sent back with a new direction. That's what happens when an appellate court reverses a ruling. It's a key moment in the legal process that can change the entire outcome of a case. When a higher court finds that the lower court made a significant legal mistake, they decide to reverse the decision. This means they believe the original ruling was wrong because of how the law was applied or interpreted. But the appellate court does not decide the final winner or loser. Instead, they send the case back to the lower court with instructions on what to do next. This process is called remanding. Once the case is remanded, the trial court must follow the appellate court's instructions. They might have to hold a new trial, reconsider evidence, or apply the law differently. For example, if the appellate court says certain evidence was wrongly admitted, the trial court might order a new trial without that evidence. Sometimes, only part of the original decision is reversed, which is called a partial reversal. The appellate court will specify which parts stay and which parts change. Most of the time, a reversal does not mean the case is over. The trial court will need to do more work before a final decision is made. This keeps the process fair and ensures the law is correctly applied. In an appellate courtroom, judges review the record from the trial court, not new evidence. They look at whether the law was used properly and whether the legal error affected the case. Their written opinion explains why they reversed the ruling and what the next step should be. Practically, a reversal means the parties involved have to prepare for more proceedings. They might need to argue new motions or even have a new trial. This process can take time, but it helps make sure the case is decided correctly. So, when an appellate court reverses a ruling, it corrects a legal mistake, sets aside the original decision, and sends the case back for further action. It's a vital part of the legal system that keeps decisions fair and based on the right interpretation of the law.